Having a terrible day. A-arm, not even A-arm. The fucking suspension on the steering column broke. So I got one straight wheel and one slanted wheel. Man, fucking AR. Worst morning ever. Front tire is fucked. Go forward a little bit. Super loud. You gotta keep going back. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. What's going on, YouTube? Having a terrible morning, man. Irritated as hell. Like, woke up with a ticket on my truck 2 nights in a row. Then sitting here getting up trying to go get my merch and stuff going. Truck fucking suspension broke. Like, it be so many little setbacks in life, but you gotta really realize the bigger picture in it and what's really going on, you know? So it's like, I try not to stress over little stuff, but it's irritating as hell when it's like you're trying to keep stuff going so you can keep everything flowing nice, but it's always gonna be bumps in the road. If it was this easy, I'm sure everybody would be doing it right now. So it's like, can't let one little bump in the road slow you down for the whole process. So my boy, come here, Ace. Picking up some motor heads for a Camaro. Just came from downtown. Got some merch on the way, man. It's coming real soon. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have it on my website, about to drop this week. So stay tuned for that. Sheesh, look at this Camaro they got up here. These things look terrible. My God. So we got the heads. I'm about to get the motor. Take it to my guy. Not even my guy. My boy Richard. He be doing everybody work. About to get this one right. Swap these gaskets. Just how my boys picked up his truck. That's like these 4-doors lighter than the 15. They got some weight. Motherfucker's sick. Hey, so beefy. Look at that engine hole. Sheesh. That is crazy. Right through the side. This man over here, he work on a lot of cars, man. And I only know because I can do a little bit of the work. I'm not as good as him, but I know it takes a lot of time to work on these cars. He getting it in though. slower. What up, YouTube? We back at it the next day. Yesterday was a hell of a day. Super messed up. I was trying to get a lot of stuff done. The truck went wrong, so I had to end up letting that be. I had to go handle some stuff I had already planned with my boys, so that's why I was out moving around. But I'm not gonna lie, like I was tripping because the truck went messed up. But I have to think about it, like everything be happening for a reason. And with that being said, the place I went with him yesterday, like the machine shop, the mechanic shop, I learned a lot of stuff that I really needed to know. And that's why I be feeling like everything happens for a reason. And that's why I'm like, truck went down for a reason. We about to get it done today. Drop these parts off to the paint, get this Harley going, get my bike fixed, and keep everything going. Just because one little thing went wrong, we can't let that stop the whole process. You feel me? Like, gotta keep going. One little bump in the road ain't nothing. But yeah, stay tuned. About to keep this going and get this Harley rolling today. So yesterday, the front suspension, I came off on the right steering column side. So one wheel's on the steering column and one is off. So we're about to take that off and get this truck. So I'm taking the wheel off, I'm trying to jack it up. But in the front, let me go from the front. You see, it's this bracket right there broke off. I'm gonna get the wheel off right now, get a better view. So as you can see, this snapped off of this. And as you can see, this truck is very rusty. That's why I went over with the bed liner undercoating. But I mean, I figured it happened. Like that's, if you tune into my videos, when I first got the truck right after the starter went out, I had to change that because it had rusted off. The guy who I bought the truck from said him and his son would drive it every day to the water to dock in their boat in the salt water. So it's understandable. I knew exactly what I bought when I got it. So it's the price you gotta pay. But anyway, you wanna upgrade the suspension. So we're about to get this going today. Gonna go get another one. I'm gonna mark the line so I can get it exactly where it's at right now. So I want to get a wheel alignment. But I for sure need some WD-40 for all this rust. So let's get that done. See, I had the WD-40 this thing. This stuff is super, super rusty, man. Like, super rusty. It's crazy. So we finally got the bolt off after some time. After we had to get that pin off. So now we're trying to hammer this thing out. Once we get that out, we'll unscrew that and go get the new one and put it on. I had to use my old Trailblazer SS harmonic balancer to hammer this thing out. Finally came out though. So basically this spins and rotates in there, and every time you turn your steering wheel, it locks in. But everything is so rusted, it just snapped out. So it's time to put a new one. So if you're doing this, it's gonna be really hard, I'm not gonna lie to you, because mine is rusted and you have to twist both these at the same time. So I put 1 7/8 right here, and I got it right here so it can't move. And I put the other 22 right here with my pole. And I basically use a jack pole and push down to loosen it. So now we got it loose, as you can see. Right, that was the process. So we're gonna use this 22. Hold the other one again. Take this AutoZone and go buy a new one. Got everything off. I'm gonna leave that one so I know the exact spot it was in. Oh yeah, we're about to get that headed, get that fixed. So now I'm on my way to O'Reilly's. I gotta return a part, and then I'm dropping the shoes off so I can get this money, and then I gotta go buy the part for the truck. As soon as I do that, we're gonna go and get the get this lady brakes done so I can knock that out, then continue to this Harley stuff. Finally dropping them off with them Aqua 8s, blue 5s. Man, and just like that, customer love his shoes. I got a whole nother set of 3 I'm about to do for him now. Again, this is the 3rd set. I done brought him the 1st set, gave me another batch, and like I said, we're gonna keep it going. Keep getting this money while we can, you know. We got some Gucci's up next, some Bordox 7s, and some nice little blue Vans. Nice little simple cleaning. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Now we are on the way to O'Reilly's. Time to get this part, get the truck back rolling, and get this money, get these parts done, get these bikes and stuff going, you know. Had a bad day yesterday, but we still got a whole fresh day today, you know. One little bad day in the week ain't gonna ruin the whole week for me, you know. You gotta stay amped, stay motivated, stay striving, and stay going, you know. Up on O'Reilly's, trying to get this part. tie rod. Trying to get this new one. So we finally got our new tie rod. But yeah, got the brand new one, fresh, ready to go. Can't wait to get the truck back running now. Get back to these Harleys and get these shoes done, man. Let's get this money. Finally got our part. Got everything working smooth and accordingly. It's time to get this money. A1. I ain't even finally got the new one twisted on there. I had to flex this a little bit to get it in. So now we're gonna use this bolt and the pin to put on top of there and get it going. So I just used a 22 to tighten that up. Now we got that tightened. We're gonna put this pin through here just like that. Pin through, and we're gonna flex this thing. See how they gave me this super long pin? I basically went through, folded it right back through there so it won't pull out. So now we got this all tightened, and we still have this 18 little lines away, so the steering will be exactly the same as if it was before. So we're all done. Time to put this wheel back on. Call it a day. So I kind of made a mistake. I had to take the bolt out and switch them basically. This bolt really goes here, but I kept the original one so I can have to get a wheel alignment. So I just used this one as I was supposed to. You see how it has the hose, so that's how you know this bolt is for this one. And I took that exact bolt off before, the old one. So it's time to get this wheel on and call it a day. So we are completely done. Got the new one on there, nice and clean. Put this one in the box. This is trash. Lucky want to clean this truck before I get going. It's so dirty now, trash everywhere. Got to get it right. We then finally got the truck back 100% complete. Next, we're gonna be doing this side. And just like that, man, we are rolling. Like nothing ever happened. Sliding. Y'all know I'm always sliding with my main helper, huh, Ace? Yeah. Yeah, look at the camera. Say what's up. Yeah. This dude is hilarious. So we pulling up here to my machine shop. They're gonna fix my wheel. It closed, but I already called ahead of time, so I'm about to strap this joint, get this thing ready so I can come back and get it tomorrow, be riding. So pretty much I just went over everything with the guy. He was telling me since the main little center circle part around the hub is off, he said that I'll be coming back to him again to get the bolts refixed. So now for sure I'm gonna just leave it and just probably get another whole wheel hub so I don't have to deal with that. So we just spent all this time getting everything for the paint. Got the front fender, the leg warmers, inner and outer fairing. I had to strip all the hardware off the bags. Gas tank. Here. Strip everything out. Gotta just get these, but got everything stripped. We're about to drop this off to the paint. So we just pulled up to the paint shop. There you go. About to offload these parts. Everything. All the parts. Man, so we finally got the day going. Everything's working out. I have to just go all the way back to the city, come back to the paint man and bring him the money for the customer bike. So now we got that done. The whole bike situation is all in the process. By tomorrow, we should have the motor work somewhat completed. The paint's in there, so everything's working smooth. I gotta order my wheel hub tonight for my bike so I can get that going. Besides that, I was supposed to do these brakes. I'm about to see if I still can get some action because the customer had left to handle something. So I'm about to go see what's up with that. But everything is working out cool. We done finally got some progress on this paint, so I feel like I got some weights off my shoulders. But I'm sliding, trying to get some work done, man.